Jump ball between. Jump ball between number 12, Pabelo, and number 23, Saspa. First possession, Mimbebs. Number 30, Nardo. Nardo, oh, pinaikot-ikot pa. Saspa, binigay kay Nico. Nico, pass to Daniel. Daniel for 2. Good for 2 by number 7, Daniel. Number 1, Nardo. Pinasa kay number 12. Foul committed by number 7. Blocking foul committed by number 7, Daniel. Hindi. Nardo, pinasa kay Kambal. Kambal, binalik sa kamuka. Nardo for 3, wala. Bola po natin ay Mitsubishi Macgrad. Daniel to Saspa. Binigay kay Cardona. Patrick Cardona, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Nico. Nico, with a jab step fake. Nico, binigay kay Daniel. Daniel to Patrick. Binalik kay Carlo. Carlo, dribbling the ball. Nico, back to Daniel. Oh! Same ball. 14 shot clock. Pag tumama sa ring, unahin mo yung shot clock. Kahit mamaya ka naman, kahit mali ka mag-score. Saspa fake for 3. Foul committed by number 12. Foul number 12, Pabelo. First foul by number 12. First team foul. Nico, pinasa kay pare ko, mukhang maganda na naman ang postura mo niyan. Lance, pumukul ng 3! Kambal to 12. Good for 2 by number 12. Nico, naghahanap na mapapasahan. Nico dribbling the ball. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Pass to. Oh, what a pass by number 2, Nardo, to number 12, Pabelo. Patrick Cardona, naghahanap ng Cardona dribbling the ball. Binigay kay, Lance pala. Good for 3 by number 9, Nabea. Foul and a basket counts. Foul committed by number 8, Nico. Number 12, Pabelo. Number 12, Pabelo. Wala. Line violation by number 12. Hintayin mo muna tumama sa ring. Makbo. Saspa, number 23, dribbling the ball. Saspa, controlling the ball. Naghahanap na mapapasahan si Saspa. Teka lang daw. Saspa, to Lance. Lance, pumukul ng 3. For 3! Number 9, Nabea. Nakakatatlo na yan. Number 15. Number 15 still by number 20. Cardona, wala. Bola po ng kabila. To number 15. Number 15 pinasa kay number 12. Number 12, wala. Rebound by Saspa. Saspa controlling the ball. Saspa pumukul ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13, Nardo. Tito Nards. Nardo. Oh! Oh! Kakaiba yung pitik na yon. Iba kung pumitik si Nardo, no? Kuya, next week na lang uli. Wala tayong kalaban. Natakot. Nico, pumukol ng dos. Wala. Tito Nards, pumukol ng pass break. Number 2. Good for 2 by number 2. Nardo, humihingi pa ng foul. Saspa, controlling the paint. Saspa, binigay kay Daniel. Daniel, pumukol ng dos. Oy, ang... Teka muna daw. Pasa muna sa pass break. Number 12. Number 12 with a fake. To number 15. What a ball movement. Good for 2 by number 2. Nardo. J2. J1 yung 1. J2 yung 2. Foul committed by number 15. Substitution rep. Ako magpipicture. Teka lang. Pag-shoot saan tayo? Pag-shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Lance Nabea. Nico. Oh! Maling pasa. Foul committed by number 8. Nico. Rep substitution in. Number 18. Porto in. Number 12. Sabale out. Meron po ba dinuguan? Idol, next week na lang. Kuya, balik kayo next week. Best player of the game, si Troy. Sven. Foul. Who's foul rep? Committed by number 18. Number 18, first personal foul. Third team foul. Lance, pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Cardona. Counter rebound by number 8. Nardo. Oh! Pinakitaan ng bagal. Inaw ang Pinoy step mula Australia. Australia to Philippines. Sven. Saspa naghanap na mababasahan. 8 to shoot. Nico for 3. Bang! Oh, 2 points only. 2 points. 2 points lang pala. Number 30, Nardo. Foul committed by number 3, Sven. Porto. Binigay kay number 1, Nardo. Number 1, Nardo. Kay number 2, Nardo. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Binigay kay Nardo. Binigay kay Jeff. Good block, rep. Oh, tumama pa sa kanya. Aray ko. Tinamaan na ng bola. Tinamaan pa sa tenga. Uy, sayang yun. J1. J2 pala. Wala. Fishing for foul. Wala again. Cardona. Oh, bola. It's part of the ball, kaibigan. Nico. Slowing down the ball. Nico, number 0. Nico, binigay kay Carlo. Carlo Saspa. Foul! Loose foul rep. Foul committed by number 8. Saspa, first try. Wala. Second try by number 23, Saspa. Wala pa din. Warning for penalty na po ang magkabilang koponan. J1, pinasa kay J2. Binigay kay number 8. Kinuha ni Tito Nards. Tito Nards, oh! Traveling violation si Tito Nards. Number 20. Cardona controlling the ball. Cardona binigay kay Saspa. Binigay kay Nico. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Saspa. Binalik kay Lance. Nabea. Binalik kay Saspa. 4 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Nardo. To number 8. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Nabea. Stop and pop for 3. Wala. Rebound by Nico. Number 8. Balagdad. Tumakol ng 2. Wala. Rebound by J2. Balagdad. Porto. Wala. Sayang yon. Saspa naghanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Cardona. Pumeke sa 3. Stop and pop for 2. Wala. Number 18, Jeff. Steal by Cardona. Oh! Pinasa kay Lance. Binigay. Oh! What a pass! Wala nga lang yung tira. Jeff, 18. Good for 2. Shinur na niya. Saspa, number 23. Stop and pop for 3. Bang! Number 23, Saspa, 3 points. What a nice play. Did you see that? Wow! Second quarter. Di na, wag na. Okay. Lipat mo. Sige. Ginto, 28. Binigay kay Daniel. Binigay kay Sven. Jump ball! Dito tayo sa kabila, sir. Lipat mo na. Jump ball. Shot clock. J2. Binigay kay Insan. Nardo. Binigay ka Pabelo. Pumigay sa 3. Pabelo. Oh! Tumama sa kanya. Number 13, Paricoy Bartolome. Finals MVP na nakalrang liga. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Fowler for 3. Wala. Ang taas nun. Daniel. Oh no! Mr. Daniel ain't missing today. 23, Nardo. Binigay kay Abraham. Pass to Pabelo. Foul! Committed by number 7. Abraham. Hindi, Pilipino. Abraham lang, Pilipino, Tagalog. Abraham. Buog ka ngang umano rin. Wonderful. Magkakadalawa tayo, isa-isa lang. Umi-echo ka. Second try by number 12, Pabelo. Wala. Rebound by number. Oh, good. Warning, delay of the game, number 7. Degus De Ocampo. Nardo, out. Bartolome, bumukol ng 3. Blanco, rebound by number 28, Ginto. Binigay kay Bartolome. To Daniel for 2. Wala. Rebound again by number 28. Paricoy, Bartolome. Paricoy, pumeke. Pinasa kay Sven. To Daniel. To Ginto. Wala. Na-excite na si Ryan nung tatakbo na sa court. Patitigilin na ni Ryan eh, larong na-shoot yun. Number 23, Nardo. Binigay kay Abraham. Abraham for 2. Abraham for 2. Free throw shot by number 6, Abraham. Number 13, Bartolome. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Fowler. Binigay kay Bartolome. Bartolome. To Fowler. To Bartolome. Foul! Who's foul, rep? Foul committed by number 2, Nardo. Pushing foul. Kapatid ni Tony Fowler, yung number 2. Pamangkin pala ni Tony Fowler. Kamusta ba naman ako? Hi, tita. Puyat pa yan, partida. Pare Koy. Isa pa. Isa pa po. Foul po sa 3 po. Opo. Third shot by number 13, Bartolome. Good for 2 for 3. 2 out of 3 by number 13, Bartolome. 23, Nardo. Nardo, naghanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay J2. Binigay kay Abraham. Turnover by. Last touch by McGrath. Oras po natin ay 8 minutes and 10 seconds sa shot clock. Second quarter. Abraham pumeke. Stop and top for 2. Iba talaga, parang bread and butter, ano? Para daw si Michael Jackson, smooth criminal. Foul committed by number 3, Sven. Score po natin ay 28-22. 6-point lead by Mimbeps. Abraham. Wala. Rebound by O'Brien. Rep substitution in. And out. And number 7, Daniel, out. Lance and Saspa in. Nardo kay J2. J2 pumukol ng 3. Number 2, Nardo. 3. Oh, 2 points only. 2 points only. Stepping. Pare ko, Fowler. Oh, what a pass. Oh, foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul by number 7, Deo Campo. Mr. Long Bomb! Oh, kakaiba talaga si Neil. Boss Neil, ano ba? Wala ba tayo dyan? Last one by number 2, Fowler. Wala. Rebound by Saspa. 23, Saspa to Bartolome. Bartolome pumukol ng 3. Dalawa sila doon. Oh! Good for 2 by Carlos Saspa. Abraham. Steal by Saspa. Foul! Who's foul, ref? Foul committed by number 2, Nardo. Blocking foul. Score po natin ay 30-24. 6-point lead by Mimbebs. First throw by number 23, Saspa. Good for 2. Pag na-shoot, sir. Pag na-shoot. Go. Rep, substitution, rep. Substitution in. Number 1, Nardo. And number 13, Nardo in. Number 6, Abraham. And number 7, Deo Campo out. Oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 40 seconds in the second quarter. Nardo ng 3, wala. Rebound by Lance. Nabea. Binigay kay Saspa. Saspa nagmamadali. Saspa sumasayaw. Binigay kay Bartolome. Pumukol ng 3. Number 13, Bartolome. 3 points. Nardo naghanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Nardo, number 13. Binigay kay Abraham. Abraham for 2. Good for 2 by number 6, Abraham. Saspa, Bartolome for... Oh! Number 13, Bartolome! 3 points! Back to back by Bartolome. On rebound pa niya. Traveling rep. Timeout! Mimbebs. Pare Koy, bawal yun. Pare Koy. Bawal talaga yun. Timeout, rep, timeout. Mimbebs, timeout. Back to the ball game. Number 23, Nardo. Binigay kay Nardo. Binigay kay Abraham. Abraham fakes. Good for 2 by number 6, Abraham. Score po natin ay 34-32. 2-point lead by Mimbebs. Lance, pumukol ng 2. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Foul! Nagkasabitan po ng foul number 9. Nabea, nagkasabitan. Number 23. Nardo. Binigay kay number 12. Balik kay 23. Abraham, stop and pop. Wala. Rebound by Nardo. Binalik kay Abraham. Using the board. Number 6, Abraham. Number 23, Saspa. Saspa fakes. Saspa. Control tip. Oh, what a play! Bang! Number 9, 3 points. Nardo, number 1, naghanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Otits. Wala. Rebound by number 28, Ginto. Number 23, Saspa. Oh! Kung pwede daw idakdak, dinakdak na niya yun. Oh, steal by number 23, Saspa. Foul. Committed by number 12, nakatukod. Warning for penalty ref. 14 shot clock, Troy, 14. 12 seconds in the second quarter. Saspa, hindi ginamit ang screen. Oh! And
back to the ball game.
number 20, Cardona. Binigay kay Sven O'Brien. Foul and 1 play by number 3, Sven O'Brien. Foul committed by number 18, Porto. First shot by number 3, Sven O'Brien. Wala. Rebound by number 6, Abraham. To number 1, Nardo. Nagbababa ng bola. Nardo, tumatawag ng play. Binigay kay Utol. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nico. Number Nico, slowing down the tempo. Nico to Lance. Drive. Oh, what a pass to Sven. Good for 2 by number 3, Sven O'Brien. Abraham dribbling the ball. Binigay to number 1. Binigay kay Kambal. Steal by number 8. Nico Balagdan. Nico calling the play. Dribbling the ball at the... Binigay kay Cardona. Number 20, Cardona. 6 to shoot. Sven. Oh! Wala. Sayang. Rebound by number 18. Porto. To number 1. Nardo. Nardo to Abraham. Abraham. Oh! What a block by number 3. Oh, Brian. Nico. Nico. Oh! Hindi narinig ng referee. Oh no! Gusto ni Abraham triple double kaya may rebound na may assist pa. Cardona. To Lance. To Cardona. Binigay kay Paricoy. Paricoy tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Porto. Foul committed by number 3, Esben. Wait lang daw at nagsisintas. Ibigay mo na. Ibigay mo na nga naman, Jeff. Inaawitan ka na. Nardo. Binigay kay Ambal. Ambal pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Jeff. Foul! Who's foul, rep? Foul committed by number 3, O'Brien.
Apat ka na, boy.
Esben, 4th personal foul by number 3, O'Brien. 2nd team foul. Teka, pagka-shoot, wait! Baby, kalma. Substitution, rep. Dead ball lang ang sub natin. Huwag muna kayong papasok. Hindi naman laro-laro eh. Hindi, para inform sila. Para lamang ang may alam. Oh, pag nagreklamo, ito technical ko. Cardona. To Nico. To Daniel. Daniel. To number 13, Bartolome. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 15. To J1. J1. Pinasa kay Abraham. Abraham. Doon muna daw kayo. Tumabi-tabi kayo ng konti. Abraham. Oh, tinamaan yun. Wait, rep. Substitution, rep. Rep, sub. Pasok. Back to the ball game. Nardo, pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Nardo. Binigay ito Nardo. Foul committed by number 20, Cardona.
How many fouls, Cardona?
First personal foul by number 20, Cardona. Third team foul by Mitsubishi McGrath. Number 12, Pabelo. First try. Wala. Second shot by number 12, Fabelo. Wala again. Rebound by number 13, Nardo. Nardo. Wala. Rebound by Lance. Nabea. Counter. Wala. Saspa. Steal by number 2. Nardo. Traveling violation. Cha-cha-cha. Kamatis na pula. Wala. Napito na yun eh. Buti. Dapat gayahin nyo kami ni Sir Beboy. Hindi nagre-reklamo. Nabea, pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Daniel. Rebound by Fabelo. Black by number 23, Saspa.
Pasok ka yan!
Fabelo, good for 2 by number 12, Fabelo. Score po natin ay 41-38. 2-point lead by... 41-40 pala. Late lang ng konti. 1-point lead by... 3-point lead by... Mimbebs. Bola po ng Macrat. Oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 38 seconds in the third quarter. Mr. Daniel to Cardona. Patrick Cardona pumukol ng 2. Wala. Nardo. Pinahirapan pa yung sarili. Saspa. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Daniel. Daniel. To Nico. Wala. Steal by Cardona. Cardona. To Lance. Nabea. Balik to Cardona. Wala. Rebound by Nardo. Score po natin ay 44-43. 1-point lead by Mitsubishi. Mimbebs. Nico. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Nardo. Number 13 Nardo. Wala. Rebound by Saspa. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul committed by number 8.
How many fouls he has? Number 8.
Second personal foul by number 8. Second
Foul pala ba? Second foul. How many team fouls he has? Oh, it's okay.
Saspa, 10 to shoot. What a pass. Binalik kay Nico. Nico for 2. Wala. Rebound by Saspa. Saspa. Good for 2 by number 23, Carlos Saspa. Pass break by number 12. Foul committed by number 9, Nabea. Penalty na tayo, rep.
How many fouls na ba?
Second personal foul by number 9, Lance Nabea. Score po natin ay 44-45. 1-point lead by Mitsubishi Macrat. Last shot by number 12, Pabelo. Wala. Rebound by number 20, Cardona. Binigay kay Daniel. Binigay kay Saspa. Saspa. Binigay kay Nabea. Binalik kay Daniel. Wala. Rebound by Daniel again. To Nabea. To Saspa. Back to Daniel. Oh, wala. Nabea for 3. Wala. Rebound by Nico. To Saspa. Good for 2 by number 2, Nardo. Binigay kay Patrick. Cardona. Cardona to Nabea. Nabea pumukol ng 3. Wala. Same ball tayo. Oras po natin ay 45 seconds left in the third quarter. 10 to shoot. Patrick Cardona, wala. Good for 2 by number 12. Knockout play. Oras po natin ay 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds in the third quarter. Nico dribbling the ball. Nico, 3 seconds. Wala na pong oras. Out to Pinto basketball court. Back to the ball game. Oh, steal by Cardona. Oh! Sayang. Dumulas. Oras. Hinto mo. Ha? Hindi. Pawis lang. Dati mo muna. Hindi mo kagod na ito. Kanina. Okay na. Ocampo. Good. Technical, number 3. Clapping. Hey! Fouled out, number 3, O'Brien. Tan. Bawal pumalakpak. Bawal kang matuwa sa kalaban. Score po natin ay 51-45. 6-point lead by Mimbeps. Saspa. Season opening. Good for 2 by number 23. Saspa. To Nardo. To Brami. Abraham. To Nardo. Steal by Cardona. Binigay kay Saspa. Foul committed by number 1, Nardo. Number 1, Nardo. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 shot lang. Pag free throw. Basta free throw. First try by number 23, Saspa. Good. Second shot by number 23, Saspa. Wala. Same ball po tayo. Nabea to Saspa. Dictating the play. Screen by Nabea. Binigay kay Nabea. Saspa. Back to Saspa. What a 1-2 play by Saspa and Nabea. Number 1, Nardo. Binigay kay Jeff. Number 18, Porto. Binigay kay Ocampo. Foul committed by number 9, Nabea. Number 9, Nabea. Third personal foul. Second team foul by Mitsubishi McGrath. Parigoy. Number 7, De Ocampo. Wala. Rebound by Abraham. To Ocampo. Binawi ang kanyang 2 missed free throws. Saspa. To Nabea. Binigay kay Saspa. Saspa. Oh, what a spin! Foul! Who's foul, rep? Foul committed by number 15. 2 shots by second foul by number 15, Gancho. First shot by number 23, Saspa, good. Second throw. 2 for 2 by number 23, Saspa. Saspa, binigay kay number 15, Gancho. Binigay kay Abraham. Abraham, steal by number 23, Saspa. Saspa, nagmamadali, pass to Nico. Foul and a 1. Foul and a basket count by number 8, Nico. Foul by number 15, Gancho. Third team foul. Rep, substitution in! Score po natin ay 54-53. 1 point lead by McGrath. Nico, wala. Rebound by number 20. Pass to Patrick Cardona. Binigay kay Lance. Lance pumukol ng 3. Break! Number 9, Abea. 3 points. Abraham, foul. Tinamaan. Foul by number 23, Saspa. First personal foul by number 2. Rep, substitution rep. First foul by number 1, Saspa. Third team foul. Foul, pushing foul committed by number 20. 20 lang. At number 28, Quinto. Wala pa. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang. Nardo to Jeff. Foul committed by number. Who's foul, rep? 0. Nico, Balagdad. Rep, penalty na tayo, rep. Second personal foul by number Nico. Ay, number 2, Nico. Second personal foul. Good for 1 by number 1. 14 yan, 14. Second try. Wala. Rebound by Ginto. Saspa. Bababa ng bola. Score po na ay 57-54. 3-point lead by Mitsubishi McGrath. Nabea for 3. Score po natin ay 60-54. 6-point lead by. Wala. Rebound by Ginto. Pinasa kay Patrick Ocampo. Cardona. To Saspa. Binigay kay Lance. Binigay kay Saspa. Wait lang daw. 8 seconds. Foul! Committed by number 13, Nardo. Number 13, Nardo. First personal foul. First shot by number 23, Saspa. Good for 2. 2 for 2 by number 23, Saspa. Score po natin ay 62-54. Nardo. Binigay to number 13, Nardo. Rebound by Saspa. Number 23, Saspa. Dinerecho, wala. Rebound by number 13, steal by number 0, Nico Balagdad. Nico nagmamadali. Nico to Saspa. Good for 2 by number 23, Saspa. J2, Nardo, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Otits. Otis foul committed by number 28, Ginto. Penalty na tayo, rep.
Voting. Vote.
Substitution, rep. Number 18, Jeff out, and number 1, Nardo in. Second personal foul by number 2, Ginto. First shot by number 13, in. Second shot. Uy, mamaya ka na magpatugtog. Saspa. Saspa controlling the ball. Saspa naghanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Nico. Nico pumukol ng dos. Wala. Rebound by J1. Binigay kay Abraham. Abraham binalik kay Nardo. Foul committed by number 13, 0. Timeout! Macrat. Oras. Yan. Back to the ball game. 2 shots by number 13, Nardo. First try. Good. Second shot by number 13, Nardo. Good for 2 by number 13, Nardo. Ayan. Saspa. Saspa naghahanap na mapapasahan. Number 23, Saspa. Saspa, drive. Oh! Wala. Nardo to Nardo. Oh, foul! A late whistle foul by number 23.
Oras, uy!
Ilang na bawas?
32. 5 seconds.
Okay, wait. Dito sa 2
Rep, wait. Free throw ba? Free throw, rep.
Wait.
Rep, teka lang, rep. Rep.
Fixing the time.
Papayano lang, 1:35 kanina. 1:35. Wait. Oras natin, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ibabalik lang natin. Di kagad na-stop kanina. Stop. Ayan. Second try by number 13, Nardo. Entering too soon. Bola po ng entering too soon nga, sir. Saspa. 14 to shoot. Saspa. Oy, kicking violation. Oras. 14 shot clock. Saspa. Oras po na. 10 to shoot. Nabea pumuli ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13. To Abraham. Wala. Rebound by Nabea to Saspa. Wait lang daw. Oras po natin ay 50 seconds. Number 12, Pabelo. Foul. Oras. Foul committed by number 8, Ginto. Wag ka, dito ka nila muna humawak. Ma'am, kahit malate ka na mag-score, basta yung oras ang number 8, Ginto. Ay, the only other score.
Kasi may score naman tayo dun eh.
Wait.
Just focus on that score, okay?
Number 28, Ginto. Third personal foul.
One point, 2 point.
Oh, start. Score po natin ay 64-60. Saspa, naghanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay Lance. Lance pumeke ng 3. Oh, what a pass! Back to Nico. Foul committed by number 1, Nardo. Foul, Nardo. Jay Nardo, second team foul. Penalty na tayo, rep! Penalty na po magkabilang koponan.
Tayo kumuha ng foul.
First shot by number 0, Nico.
Guys, that's a foul zone. Kailangan kumuha na kayo.
Wala. Pag na-shoot,
Rep, pag na-shoot, tama ba? Rep, pag na-shoot, tama.
wala. Pumukol ng 3, wala. Rebound by. Time out pa ba kayo? Ay, hindi. Bola nila.
Bola na.
Oras po natin ay 8 seconds. Okay lang yan, kayo di naman maghaharap sa championship eh. Pero kung natatakot kayo sa amin, huwag na kayo lumaro.
Nice game, nice game!
Best player natin si Sven, graduate